Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and safe today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here, every day, we will learn something new in a fun and exciting way. यहाँ हम हर रोज कुछ नया सीखेंगे, लेकिन एक मजेदार तरीके से. Now, on the board here, you will see some pictures. You have to guess who is in the picture. अब यहाँ बोर्ड पर आपको कुछ तस्वीरें नजर आएंगी. आपको गौर से देखकर ये पहचानना है कि इन तस्वीरों में कौन है. Are you all ready? Let us look at the first picture. Can you all tell me who is this? Yes, this is a doctor. Let us look at our next picture. Can you all tell me who is this? Yes, this is an architect. Very good. Now let us look at some more pictures. Can you all tell me who is this? Yes, this is a carpenter. Can you all tell me who is this? This is a blacksmith. Now, can you all look at the next picture and tell me who is this? Yes, this is a garbage collector. Now let us look at the last picture. Can you all tell me who is this? Yes, this is a sewage cleaner. Now children, can you all tell me, was there a difference in the pictures that we saw? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि क्या इन तस्वीरों में कुछ अलग था? These are pictures of different occupations. There was nothing different in any of these occupations. इन सारे occupations में कोई फर्क नहीं है. All of these occupations are equally important. ये सारे occupations बहुत ही ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण हैं. One thing that we need to remember is no occupation is big or small. कोई भी काम बड़ा या छोटा नहीं होता है. And we must respect all of them equally. और हमें इन सारे occupations की इज्जत करनी चाहिए. Before we move on to the chapter, let us learn some new words. चलो अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखते हैं. I would like all of you to listen to me carefully. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी मुझे ध्यान से सुने. Our first word is blacksmith. 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 Our second word is carpenter, carpenter, carpenter. Our third word is disturbed, disturbed, disturbed. Our fourth word is minister, minister, minister. Our fifth and the last word is annoyed, annoyed, annoyed. Children, today we are going to learn a very fun story. आज हम एक बहुत मजेदार कहानी पढ़ने वाले हैं. Please open page number 53 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words as I read them. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें. मुझे ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Now, while we read this story, I would like all of you to look for the 5 new words that we just learned. The name of our chapter is Talk, Talk, Tong, Tong, all day long. Long, long ago, in the faraway land of Korea, there was a minister. On the right of his house, there lived a blacksmith. On the left, there lived a carpenter. Here, we saw that a long time ago, there was a minister. Now, this minister lived in Korea. Then we saw that to the right side of the minister's house, there lived a blacksmith. Now, blacksmiths are people who use metals like iron and steel to make different objects. Objects like gate, railings, and even tools. And then we saw that to the left of the minister's house, there lived a carpenter. Carpenters are people who use wood to make different objects, just like tables and chairs. यहाँ हमने देखा कि बहुत सालों पहले एक मिनिस्टर यानी मंत्री हुआ करते थे. मंत्री कोरिया में रहा करते थे. फिर हमने देखा कि मंत्री के दाएं तरफ एक ब्लैकस्मिथ का घर हुआ करता था. ब्लैकस्मिथ यानी लोहार. और फिर हमने देखा कि मंत्री के बाएं तरफ एक कारपेंटर का घर हुआ करता था. कारपेंटर यानी सुतार. The blacksmith and the carpenter began their work early in the morning. Tong, tong, tong. The blacksmith beat the iron with his big hammer. Tock, tock, tock. The carpenter worked with his small hammer. Krr, krr, krr. He used his saw to cut the wood. They worked day and night and made a lot of noise. All that noise disturbed the minister. I must do something about this, he thought. Here we saw that the carpenter and blacksmith are very hard-working people. Both of them started their work early in the morning. Blacksmith used to work with a big hammer. He started beating on his iron, and the carpenter started working with a small hammer. But there was a small problem here. All of this talk, talk, krr, krr noise disturbed the minister. What do you think will the minister do next? यहाँ हमने देखा कि ब्लैकस्मिथ और कारपेंटर बहुत ही ज्यादा मेहनती लोग हैं। वो सुबह सुबह काम पे लग जाते हैं। ब्लैकस्मिथ एक बड़े हैमर यानी हथौड़े से अपने लोहे पर काम शुरू कर देता था और कारपेंटर एक छोटे हथौड़े के साथ अपने वुड पर काम शुरू कर देता। लेकिन यहाँ एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है। ये जो सारी आवाजें हैं, टॉक टॉक क्र क्र, ये सारी आवाजें मंत्री को बहुत परेशान करते थे। आपको क्या लगता है कि अब ये मंत्री क्या करेगा? Let us read and find out. One day the minister called the blacksmith. I order you to shift your house somewhere else. Then he called the carpenter and gave him the same order. Now that we know that the minister was very disturbed because of the noise, can you tell me what did the minister do? Yes, the minister first ordered the blacksmith to leave his house and shift to a new house. And then he also ordered the carpenter to leave his house and shift to a new house. हम सभी जानते हैं कि मंत्री इन आवाजों के कारण बहुत ही ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब यानी परेशान हो चुका था और इसीलिए उन्होंने कारपेंटर और ब्लैकस्मिथ दोनों को आदेश दिया कि वो अपना अपना घर छोड़कर कोई नया घर ढूंढ लें। After a few days, the blacksmith went to the minister. I'm moving my house tomorrow, he told the minister. The minister was happy. He said, That's very kind of you. You are such a good man. Please stay for lunch today. Then the carpenter came. I'm also moving my house tomorrow, he told the minister. The minister was overjoyed. Oh no, you are too kind. Please stay for lunch today. The minister offered his neighbors many tasty dishes, sweets, and fruits. Then he said goodbye to them. Here we saw that after a few days, both the carpenter and the blacksmith came to the minister and told him that they were moving to a new house. Now, the minister was so happy that he offered both of them very tasty dishes and then he bid them goodbye. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कुछ दिनों बाद कारपेंटर और ब्लैकस्मिथ दोनों मिनिस्टर के पास गए और उन्हें बताया कि वो दोनों एक नए घर में शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं। और ये सुनकर मिनिस्टर इतना ज्यादा खुश हो गया कि उन्होंने उन दोनों को बहुत सारे अच्छे पकवान खिलाए और फिर उन्हें गुड बाय कहा। The next day when the minister went to bed, he thought, at last I will have some peace. Tomorrow when I get up, I will listen to the sweet sounds of birds. How nice it will be. But the next morning, the minister woke up with the sound of Tong, tong, tong. Tock, tock, tock. Krr, krr, krr. Again. He got annoyed. He called his servants. Go and see who is making all that noise. Now the minister was finally happy. He went to sleep thinking that he will finally have a peaceful sleep. He will get to hear the voices of birds and listen to them singing and chirping. But the very next morning, he started hearing the noises tock, tock, krr, krr, all over again. Can you all tell me who is making these noises now? यहाँ हमने देखा कि राजा इस बार जब सोने गए तो वो बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश थे। उन्हें लगा कि आखिरकार उन्हें आराम की नींद मिलेगी और उन्हें पंछियों के चहचहाने की आवाज भी सुनाई देगी। लेकिन अगले ही सुबह उन्हें वो आवाजें टॉक टॉक क्र क्र फिर से सुनाई देने लगे। क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि अब ये आवाजें कौन निकाल रहा है? After some time, the servants came back. They had some news for the minister. The carpenter and the blacksmith had moved their houses. The blacksmith had moved to the carpenter's house and the carpenter had moved to the blacksmith's house. The blacksmith and the carpenter carried on their work in their houses day and night. Now, the minister was so annoyed that he asked his servants to go and check who was making the noise. But when his servants came back, they told him that the carpenter and blacksmith had followed his orders and shifted to a new house. But they had shifted to each other's house. And now they continued to work hard day and night. यहाँ हमने देखा कि मिनिस्टर आवाजों के कारण फिर से बहुत ही ज्यादा अनॉयड यानी तंग आ चुके थे और इसीलिए उन्होंने अपने सेवकों से कहा कि जाकर देखे कि आवाजें कौन निकाल रहा है। लेकिन जब उनके सेवक लौटे उन्होंने उन्हें बताया कि कारपेंटर और ब्लैकस्मिथ ने आपकी बात मानकर एक नए घर में शिफ्ट जरूर हुए, लेकिन वो दोनों एक दूसरे के घर शिफ्ट हुए हैं और अब वो दोनों फिर से दिन रात मेहनत से काम कर रहे हैं। Wasn't this an amazing story? Here we saw how the carpenter and the blacksmith followed the minister's order but also managed to fool him. यहाँ हमने देखा कि कैसे ब्लैकस्मिथ और कारपेंटर ने मिनिस्टर की बात जरूर मानी, लेकिन वो दोनों उन्हें बुद्धू बनाने में भी कामयाब हुए। Now let us learn something new. Children, can you tell me what are past, present and future? Yes, past, present and future are timelines. Past यानी भूतकाल, present यानी वर्तमान काल और future यानी भविष्य काल. Now let us learn some phrases that we use to show these timelines. अब हम कुछ ऐसे phrases के बारे में सीखेंगे जो हम इस टाइमलाइन को दिखाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. If we have to say that something happened in the past a long time ago, we say many years ago. बहुत सालों पहले. A long, long time ago. बहुत वक्त पहले. A few years ago. कुछ सालों पहले. Last year. पिछले साल. Now, if we have to say that something happened recently, we say yesterday. बीता हुआ कल. Last week. पिछले हफ्ते. A few days ago. कुछ दिनों पहले. Now, if we have to say that something happened in the present, we say today. आज. Now. अभी. This week. ये हफ्ते. This month. इस महीने. Now, if we have to say that something will happen in the future after a long time, we will say a long, long time from now. आज से बहुत वक्त बाद. A few years from now. आज से कुछ सालों बाद. Next year. आने वाला साल. If we have to say that something is going to happen very soon, we say the coming year. आने वाला साल. The coming week. आने वाला हफ्ता. We have learned a lot of phrases that we use in different timelines. Now let us do an activity. On your screen, you will see some sentences. You have to read the sentences and then use some of these phrases to add to those sentences. अब आपको आपकी स्क्रीन पर इस टाइमलाइन के साथ साथ कुछ सेंटेंसेस नजर आएंगे. आपको इस टाइमलाइन में से एक सेंटेंस या एक फ्रेज का इस्तेमाल करके उस सेंटेंस के साथ जोड़ना है. All the best. Our 3 sentences are: There were dinosaurs on the earth. She needs water. We will grow old. Now, you have to use one phrase from the timeline and add to these sentences. आपको इस टाइमलाइन में से एक फ्रेज को चुनकर इस सेंटेंस के साथ जोड़ना है. Now let us look at the answers. We all know that dinosaurs existed on the earth a long time ago. So we will say millions of years ago there were dinosaurs on the earth. Now our second sentence is she needs water. Now we know that this is a sentence in the present. So we will say she needs water now. Our third sentence is we will grow old. Now we know that this is something that will happen in the future a long time from now. So we will say many years from now we will grow old. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye-bye.